I tell a nigga don't ride, don't blink, ride, leave it to the double thick thighs, twin sisters. Drop it down and wobble, wobble up. Mommy boot it up, she get down and gobble, gobble up. Cause my money up. Slide, slide in the Bentley trucker, the rave trucker. Your bestie is a sucker, a big double. Assalamu alaikum, you big hater. You nothing but a hater, hater. Cloud chaser. Now we catch him at the chicken spot. Up a couple chops, pop that with 100 shots. Da, 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 da. They didn't make that nigga diddy bop. Cha 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 cha. He thought we was going knuckle up. I don't box. And the is always talking yada yada yada. When you see me, what you talking about? You talking about? Niggas always wanna chase clout. I am clout. Tell him get up on my face now. Fuck.
So I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and then I'm gonna tell you guys more about the shipping and all that other stuff. So this is the first one, which is the Xxl Coffin. It came in this packaging. I'm not showing the front because, you know, I have like my shipping and stuff on that side, but inside the packaging is what we have here. You would think it'd be a little bit more, a little better packaging at least. Sure, but these are the tips. Let's say this is like 25 tips, look like it in here. And you get the numbers 0 all the way through 10. No. 0 through, well, I don't know why that don't look okay. 0, yeah. So you're only gonna get 0 through 11. Generally they have I believe 0 through 12. I'm not sure, correct me if I'm wrong, but you get 0 through 11, and these are the clear tips, but they don't look clear. I'm gonna show you. You see it? These look like they are frosted. They do not at all look clear. Like, you see, that's frosty looking. I can show you guys some. This is a clear tip. You can see clean through this tip. Either side, that is clear. This tip, I'm trying to put them together, not clear. You can even see the difference. These are not clear. I don't know why these are frosted like that, but I don't like that, because if you're trying to do an encapsulated look or just a clear, you know, cutout look, you're not gonna get that. Your best bet is just go ahead, cover this up with some paint, or go along with the frosted tip color. But these are not clear. They are very long, which I really do like. And now I'm just gonna try and do my bend test. It does not bend here all the way at the tip, but it does bend around this area. You can see it's bending, and it's pretty flexible, especially at the tip, which I understand the tip needs, I mean, the base of the nail needs to be thin back here, but this middle where this apex supposed to be is not that firm. The most of the strength is all the way at the tip of these, and these are also not, let me see, sorry if I'm too close, these are, focus, not that thick as far as the nail, and the apex is very, you know, flat. Maybe because they're so long, that's why they're flat. I'm not sure, but that's how it will look. These are pretty long. I'm going to try to keep them this long, but if I was to bend that here, I will have a stress point and it will bend right there. Maybe not so much after I do the base coat, top coat, nail polish and stuff like that, but I am going to try it out, give them a chance just as they are without doing anything special to strengthen them, and just see how it works. I'm gonna size them and put them on the same way I did in my APRES video using the APRES products. I'm not going to use anything else because I did not buy his products. I'm glad I didn't, because it's a whole lot with that one.
Yeah. I was finna write a song, but how I been hella stressed. But I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing. Cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat. So bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me. That you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding and kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me. That you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring.
I met her the other day in the valley. She said, cool, so how long you been in Cali? 2 weeks, but I feel like it's home now. 18, so I know she on her own now. She said, ooh, I like your whip, cause it's nice as hell. She said, let me get your number, I said, might as well. All she care about is money, any I can tell. So you know I had a line, I'm just tryna chill. She had my line, like, who you with? I hit her back, like, who is this? She said, it's Sarah, I know you with over yo, so I'm like, chill with the foolishness. She like the chains on my neck, she only care about status. She like the way that I dress, cause she only care about fashion, yeah. She hit my line, like, who you with? I hit her back, like, who is this? She said it's Sarah, I know you with over yo, so I'm like, chill with the foolishness. She like the chains on my neck, she only care about status. She like the way that I dress, she only care about fashion, yeah. Superficial, you from LA, huh? You got a place, huh? Oh, you be with Drake, huh? Superficial, you got a right, but who inside, huh? No, I'm not surprised, right? Superficial, you from LA, huh? You got a place, huh? Oh, you be with Drake, huh? Superficial, you got a right, but who inside, right? No, I'm not surprised, yeah. I met a girl from the Bay, she only here for the weekend. She only come to LA, just to see who she gon' leave with. She said, so where do you stay? I said, Figueroa. She said, I guess it's a day. I look around and said, wait, hold on. She be acting like she know me, but I know she made a plan. No, that's a long reach, like MJ on Space Jam. She said, how much do you make? I'm like, how long do it take? She said, you ain't gotta wait. She said, you ain't gotta wait. She had my line, like, who you with? I hit her back, like, who is this? She said, it's Sarah, I know you with over you, so I'm like, chill with the foolishness. She like the chains on my neck, she only care about status. She like the way that I dress, she only care about fashion. Superficial, you from LA, huh? You got a place, huh? Oh, you be with Drake, huh? Superficial, you got a right, but who inside, huh? No, I'm not surprised, right? Superficial, you from LA, huh? You got a place, huh? Oh, you be with Drake, huh? Superficial, you got a right, but who inside, right? No, I'm not surprised, yeah.
Chill, it's just a draft. Yeah. She a little bad, hit her with the bag. Yeah. on the tab, don't know how to act. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad, it's a little, yeah. Dang girl, you got me head over heels with it. Hey, danger, you out here dressing to kill with it. But you breaking them necks, I don't see how they can deal with it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Look, burning up like August. Now I don't see no rain. Boy, 'cause she gorgeous. Told her that it ain't no thing. Look at you and it's obvious. Gives me every time, yeah. See it in my eye, yeah. Girl, it's on sight, and she know that. She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad, it's a little, yeah. Shawty, you bad, you know it. I'ma say less, let me show it. You can be my queen if it's fun with you. Baby, I'm just tryna spend time with you. Stepping out with your girlfriend. You got work in the morning. I pull up on you like Jordan, just to show you gorgeous. God ain't cutting no corners. Let me know what's up. Playing hard to get. Why you acting tough? Got me cracking up. Gives me every time, yeah. I see it in your eyes. Girl, it's on sight, and she know that. She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad, it's a little,